Hi guys, I'm really excited to just brief you about our international patients that Alhamdulillah in Pakistan, a lot of patients come from outside Pakistan. So this young guy came from South Africa. Which city? Johannesburg?
Johannesburg.
Okay, so tell me how long ago you came to Pakistan?
Just 1 month ago.
And you saw me on the social media page.
Yes.
And the problem was, what did you have issue with the knee? Tell me.
I had an ACL problem.
And meniscus? And how long ago we did the surgery?
It's been 1 month.
And tell me, how is it now?
It's totally fine.
Alhamdulillah.
100%.
And tell me, how was your experience in having the surgery? All that fear in your mind that you're coming all the way from South Africa to Pakistan, having the surgery done here. Tell me your feedback. How did you felt?
I was initially very scared, very worried, but like after I met you, after I spoke to you, completely fine.
And surgical journey was good?
Yes.
And did you had a good physio rehab?
Yes.
So we did his ACL reconstruction with internal brace, we did his meniscal repair. If you can show the wound, it's nice and clean, very little scar. Can you show the range of movement? Excellent and absolutely stable graft, and stability of the knee is well achieved. Now inshallah he will go back to South Africa, will do his physio rehab and promote our country Pakistan and his country as well, Pakistan, as he's based in South Africa. Thank you.